Hey guys, this is my bike. It's a We the People Phoenix, spray painted black. Grinded the brake mounts off. Sorry, it's a little windy out here, but whatever. I got Colony official bars, Chase Hawk bars, some Haro stem, like kink headset. Works that I've had forever. This is a Alienation PBR rim laced to some nitrous hub. It's nice and sealed. Mechanic cranks with shadow pedals and an Eastern Medusa sprocket 25 tooth with a stolen bottom bracket. An old KMC chain goes back to the stolen roulette 8 tooth hub and just a stolen rim with a Maxxis hookworm tire. I got an animal cush seat, I think, with a fit seat post and an animal seat post. I think that's it. Yeah, that's my bike.